So what up, everybody? I want to welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. We like to consider ourselves as Pandemic Motorsports, and basically decided to make a YouTube channel. As you can see right now today in our first video, since we're doing some work, we're actually working on my brother's Acura TSX 2005. As you guys can see in the back right there, we do have an Integra that we are working on to bring start doing track days. But we'll show you guys videos along the way and see how that goes and some progress and whatnot. You see my kid right there. But I also have a TSX, and I'll be showing you guys an introduction video to that car. But today's main focus is the TSX. We do have a couple of the other guys on this channel that you guys are gonna see. We have one of our friends, Felix, who has a DC Integra, which we're actually doing some moldings on it, or the molding delete. Do some body work on it to get it up and going, up and running. And we got the main man, Jesse, who has an FD2 Civic sedan, which it needs a lot of work. So primo, get on that shit. But we actually installed the front already. We're not gonna do a tutorial video because there's a lot of videos already on how to put in, how to install coilovers. There's countless of them, but it's just basically vlog videos you guys can see and tag along with us, and just follow us on our journey on what we do, and hopefully we can start doing this for a living. But this is the first of many videos. There we go. First of many videos. So I hope you guys like the content. We'll keep posting more along the way, so on, until we get parts and stuff like that. But for today, hopefully we get this suspension all squared away and we're good to go. And please watch out for eBay parts. Angelo, eBay or no eBay? No eBay. All right, so let's get to it. Huh? Sure. Hey, wait. Hey, wait. Right now we are actually doing a road test on his car with the Yanaka. Yanaka? That's the name of the coilover, right? Yeah, Yanaka coilovers. I ran 10, so I didn't know about Yanaka, and on the forums there's not really a lot of stuff on Yanaka, so this was a hit or miss. But for the price that he got them for, they're not actually that bad. But I mean, what do you think, Angelo, from the other coilovers that you had to this? Way better. On the eBay coilovers, that shit. Fuck. They were way too bouncy. It was really bad of a drive. That he decided to cup off the cash to get these. Thanks to Donald Trump for that stimulus check that he got. So he got a coilover. But yeah, so right now we're just doing a test drive real quick. And so far, what would you say? Would you recommend these? Yeah. So if you're low on money and you don't got the money for some TNs, I would recommend Yanaka too. Get Yanaka coilovers. I think he got them for $449. Right now I think they went up to $660, $649 or something like that. So you got them just right in the nick of time. So yeah, for $449 for what he needs it for, just for daily driving, to have at least be able to still lower the car, should be perfect. And also on his car, we don't have it fully slammed. He just kind of lowered the wheel gap, and we still have a lot of adjustment left if we really wanted to drop it, but he doesn't want to do that, and I wouldn't recommend it either. But yeah, so far so good.